Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unzip or extract files in Windows 11 without any software. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to select our zip file. Okay, I have here an example of zip file in my desktop to show you. Okay, once you have selected your zip file, all you need to do is you need to do a right click, and the moment you have do a right click, there you can see a list of the options. You need to proceed with an option called extract all. So click on it, and the moment you have the click on it, you would be able to select a destination or a place to save the extracted files. Okay, you can click on browse and select the destination of your extracted files. So let's say we're gonna select our desktop. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to select a folder, and once you have selected it, please proceed on extract. Okay, so the moment you have click on it, you have just able to extract the file that you have in your Windows or computer. Okay? Okay, so let's try again. So please do a right click, go with extract all. Okay, go with extract. Okay, and in that manner, you have just extracted the file that you have, the zip file that you have in your Windows. Okay, there you would be able to see the file folder containing there inside the zip file that you have download or saved. Okay, so it has in mind the DLL file and a file folder called underscore Mac OS X and a DLL file which is MSVCP140. Okay, so that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So that is a step on how to unzip the file or extract the file in your Windows without installing any software. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.